Standard 10 similar triangles. Here in similar triangle angles are congruent and sides are proportion. So we study in 8th or 9th standard similar triangle. Sides are proportion, angles are congruent. So triangles are similar. Test of similarity. We study AAA test, but we can use only AA test, SSS test, and SSS test. Two sides are similar and between angles are congruent. So this is the SSS test and SSS test. So properties of similar triangle. This is a reflexivity, ABC triangle, similar triangle ABC. Symmetry, triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF, then triangle DEF, similar triangle ABC. This is the symmetry property. And third property is if a triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF, and triangle DEF, similar triangle ABC, GHI, then the triangle ABC, similar triangle GHI. This is a transitivity property. So we can solve the examples in 1.3. In figure, ABC given is 75, EDC also given 75. State which two triangles are similar and then by which test also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. In this triangle ABC and EDC, so in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC congruent angle EDC, which test each 75 degree given. So in this triangle and in this triangle angle C is common angle. So angle ACB congruent angle DCE or ACD. This is a common angle. So triangle ABC, similar triangle EDC, ABC and EDC are one-to-one correspondence. So two triangles are similar, AA test. Mostly we can use the AA test, not AAA test. In second question, are the triangle in the figure similar? If yes, by which test? So this is the figure. Which test? We can write a ratio in proportion, then SSS test can be used. We write PQ upon LM, PR upon LN, and QR upon MN. So PQ upon LM 6/3, so 2/1. PR upon LN 10/5, 2/1. So we get equation 2. QR upon MN 8/4 equal to 2/1, equation 3. From equation 2/1, 2/1, 2/1 same, so sides are in proportion. So triangle PQR, similar triangle LMN, SSS test. Third question, as shown in the figure, two poles are height 8 and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground If the length of the shadow of smaller pole is due to the sunlight is 6 meter, how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? PR is height of smaller pole and AC is height of bigger pole. QR is shadow of smaller pole, BC is shadow of let X. So in two triangles, each angle is 90 degree and sunlight or rays becomes same angle because rays are parallel and poles are also parallel. This is transversal, so angles are congruent. So in triangle PRQ and triangle ACB, angle PRQ congruent angle ACB each 90 degree. Angle PQR congruent angle ABC. This is a same angle corresponding angle. So two triangles are similar. PRQ similar triangle ACB. This is double A test. So two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion. PR upon AC, QR upon BC and PQ upon AC, corresponding side of similar triangle. So PR is given 8 in diagram, AC is given PR is given 4, AC is given 8, this is a 4 and 8. QR is a shadow of is also given 8, not 8, 6, and this is a X. So we calculate 4 into X is equal to 8 into 6. So X is equal to 8 into 6 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 2s are 8, 2 6 are 12 meter. So we write the answer: shadow of bigger pole is 12 meter. In triangle ABC, AP perpendicular to BC, BQ perpendicular to AC, B dash PC and AQC between us, then prove that triangle CPA and triangle CQB, this triangle and this triangle, here is 90 each and angle C both are common, so we write triangles in double A test. In triangle CPA and CQB, angle APC congruent angle BQC, each 90 degree. Angle ACP congruent angle BCQ, common angle. So triangle CPA similar triangle CQB, double A test. In this way, BQC and APC is 90 and ACP and QCB or BCQ is a common angle. So both triangles are similar, double A test. So sides are in proportion, CP upon CQ. AP upon BQ, AC upon BC, corresponding side of similar triangle. We get the value AP. AP is 7, BQ is 8, AC not given, BC 12. This is not the value, so they neglected. काढून टाकायचे. So cross multiplication, 8 into AC, 7 into 12, 7 into 12 upon 8, 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12, 7 into 3, 21 by 2 means 10.5. So value of AC is 10.5.